We are back with Michal Iwaniuk from Poland with a really interesting situation. Mathieu, can you tell us about it?
Yeah, of course. So what Michal did was he had a problem with his showpiece, being that the base of the showpiece was too big. So maximum allowance is 50 centimeters, and since it was too big, before the competition even started, he already broke it in half. But now he has to repair everything and make sure it looks pretty again. Okay.
So he's fixing it on the spot, live.
Exactly, yeah, it has to fix it on the spot, otherwise we have to deduct points for creativity and for finishing of the showpiece. But it's better than deducting 20 points as penalty points for having a too large showpiece.
Okay, so now we're here with Elias Laderac, the Switzerland contestant. Ramon, tell us about it.
Yeah, look at we just walk around and we discovered that Elias he already finished your travel cake. Of course, everyone can organize himself as he wants, as he organized before at home. It's about the planification, but what is true is that in the same moment, everybody need to finish the products.